Have a nice rest of your week, man.
Happy Earth Day, my fellow Earthlings!
To celebrate this beautiful day, we would like to discuss ways to help our Earth. That being said, reduce, reusing, and recycling are perfect ways to help protect our planet and prevent further climate change.
As a result of this method, we can make our environment cleaner and also make resources more readily available. The more plastic we recycle, the less plastic we have to manufacture. We can also make less air, water, and land pollution by using the 3 R's.
You can reduce by buying fewer plastic bags, using fewer plastic straws at restaurants, and conserving water and energy.
We can reuse by using plastic containers over again and repurposing old or thrifted clothing and materials and make them into new items.
Finally, you can recycle by using recycling bins whenever possible and composting food.
So remember to use the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle today, tomorrow, and the next time you can, because every day is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day, everybody.
Happy Earth Day, everybody. In this discussion, we're going to be talking about pollution and how it affects the air, the land, and the water. Now, what are the causes and effect of this?
These are caused by vehicle emissions, burning fossil fuels, excessive and improper waste disposal, and oils and gases used for heat in homes. This then causes climate change, it destroys ecosystems, and has severe impacts on human health. Now, how can we mitigate the situation?
The way we mitigate the situation is by using public transportation to lower our carbon footprint around the world, using cleaner and more renewable energy to create less CO2 in the atmosphere, and we're using recycling our stuff.
Remember that each one of us affects the quality of life on this planet. Let's work together to protect our home and make it a beautiful place to live. Thank you.
Happy Earth Day, everybody. To help advocate for the preservation of our planet, I will be talking about how pollution and climate change as a whole is affecting our habitats and our beloved species, and how we can minimize the dangers to these species. Habitats that are prevalent to danger for climate change are specifically aquatic ecosystems and species, as they are particularly sensitive to climate change. Due to the dissolution of carbon dioxide in our oceans, the ocean has become more acidic, and this specifically affects our coral reefs. As they become bleached, their skeletons essentially weaken, and species that depend on them for protection from predators have to fend off on the fur alone, basically. The ocean has also become warmer due to the excess heat of global warming, and so aquatic species have altered metabolisms, and there's a loss of oxygen in the waters, which causes more aquatic life to either die or go extinct. And these are examples of our endangered aquatic species. The way we can minimize the impact of climate change to our aquatic species is basically switching to public transportation, try and switch to electric or hydro vehicles, and essentially change our energy resources to renewable energy. And pollution from our plastic also harms our aquatic life, as fish, seabirds, sea turtles, and marine mammals can become entangled in or ingest plastic debris, causing suffocation, starvation, and drowning. And in order to minimize this issue as well, we would have to reduce, reuse, and recycle, the 3 R's. So please, let us work together to address climate change and pollution and protect our aquatic ecosystems for the sake of all life on Earth.